Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'd like to talk about some performance tips on some common sticking points that you're gonna find with movements like the deadlift. And one of those things that we want to talk about is actually a thing called overcoming isometrics. When we start to work on improving our deadlift performance by lifting heavier weight, one of the common things is going to be a sticking point of being able to lift that weight initially off the ground. So I want to talk about overcoming isometrics because this is what can get you over that hurdle of hitting your plateau when you are trying to improve your performance. So when we're doing this, and overcoming isometrics is exactly what it sounds like. We are working on being able to create a muscular and neural drive of trying to overcome something that is immovable, okay? So think about this. You're trying to deadlift something super heavy that you cannot move off the ground. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm going to go ahead. I've set up my hooks like low to simulate like the initial liftoff point here on my deadlift. And so I'm gonna place the bar underneath these hooks. What that allows me to do, especially with the plates underneath me, is that this is getting me to start off at my starting point of the deadlift. This is a normal sticking point here that's really hard for us to initially get any type of movement. So all I want to be able to do here is think about just being able to drive through these handles, through these hooks, pulling to the bar, driving off my legs for about like 6 to 12 seconds. I'm going max effort here as much as I can, really just feel like I can move this, but obviously I know I can't because it's fixed to the ground. Now the benefit of this is that it's going to make us much more efficient at being able to recruit all the muscle fibers, that neural drive, that signal from our brain into our extremities to really get as much power as we can, all right? So again, we'll just kind of review this. Okay, I've got the plates off the ground here for me because this is just what matches the height for me where these hooks are laid. And we want to think about creating maximal drive here, really pushing through for a good 6 to 12 seconds, okay? In this case, because I'm talking, I have to breathe. But for you, when you're working on this, you don't want to breathe. You just want to hold and really drive and just get that initial pull, all right? So if you feel like you've hit that sticking point to deadlifts, I'm going to encourage you, try some overcoming isometrics and let us know how that works for you.